We in California have done an extraordinary job fostering a collaborative enterprise between the private sector and the public sector, the academic institutions, the sources of finance in the venture capital field. And that's a very fragile environment. So I'm very concerned about the length of time that it takes to generate clarity. Because capital flows, whether it's flowing through venture capital or whether it's flowing through banks in the traditional credit system, it flows to where it understands what the rules of the game are. It takes time. And that time is actually very, very negative on a de facto basis for the flow of capital into early stage innovation. What I'm excited about is eventually the dust will settle, eventually there will be clarity, and eventually there will be entrepreneurs who, once they know what the rules of the game are, will jump in and restart the engine. But I don't know how long that engine can idle before we lose the elements of the ecosystem which have been constructed over the last several decades in California. When we do medical products, whether they're drugs, whether they're devices, whether they're molecular diagnostics, we engage patient advocates to understand what's going on. And having innovation advocates as a part of the dialogue, I think, would be a comforting signal to the folks who do what I do. My personal concern is that government organizations have developed reputations being, as the economist Charles Lindblom, who used to follow the Soviet economy, used to say, all thumbs, no fingers. And we need to finesse this carefully. And it's a scary process for those of us who are seeking certainty.